special, just badass brew. We're in JBA Speed Shop. We're setting up. The dog control is here, and I don't know. It's a little dizzy, a little blurry. The way the dog control rolls. So we expect you guys to know that the hot coffee is here, and the donuts are en route. Right, Dan? Okay. They're coming. See you guys soon. JBA Speed Shop. Ow! Bumper's dragging almost.
Okay, see? Eat the donut.
Grab it, David.
Grab it.
Grab it with 2 hands.
There you go.
There you
Eat
go.
the donut.
He knows how to eat donuts.
I'm sure he does. Mmm. Yeah.
I'm here for the burnout. Right. All right, we used to have those. How you doing today?
How you doing?
Good day. She's loving her donut. Who's this guy? Hey, look who got up.
My cat tripped tonight.
I'm impressed.
Got up and got out, got a donut.
That's it. Yeah, we got some donuts left. Got some brew left. How you doing today, sir?
I like it, sir.
Did you get a donut yet?
I get it, yeah.
All right. Got it. Hey, guys.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, man. All right, Colonel, what are we going to do now?
We're going to try and do a burnout.
All right, it's all yours, baby. Okay, you guys ready? No. Take your time, make sure you're in first. Pam wants to check. Pam says you're gonna go next.
Oh.
All right, brother. See you, man. All right, thanks again for coming.
all you, baby.
Hang on, Richard. See you later.